Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by emptying the bag and laying it flat. This prevents trapped items from getting wet. Check the care tag so you know fabric limits, then do a spot test on an inside seam to confirm color fastness. Use a handheld vacuum with a brush attachment to remove dust and crumbs. Make sure to open every pocket. Once done, shake the bag outside to dislodge stubborn particles. These first steps protect both the bag and its contents, so don't rush them. Now you tackle stains and grime. Mix a mild detergent solution, about 1 teaspoon per cup of warm water, and dip a soft cloth or brush. Work stains from the outer edge toward the center to prevent rings. Scrub gently on fabric panels. For non-fabric trims, use a barely damp cloth to wipe, and for foam padding blot rather than soak. Make sure to rinse residue with a clean damp cloth so detergent doesn't stiffen fibers. Once cleaned, pat excess moisture with a towel. Finish by reshaping and drying. Hang the bag upside down with pockets open so air circulates, and allow 12 to 24 hours away from direct sun or heaters. Once dry, run zippers and treat them with paraffin or dry silicone to prevent sticking, and inspect seams. Repair loose stitching now. Reinsert accessories only when everything is completely dry. Troubleshooting tip: if odors persist, put a bowl of baking soda or activate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.